All right, a very good morning, everyone. This side is Megha Narayan. We are discussing chapter number 8. This is the fourth video for this particular chapter. In our previous chapters, in the previous videos of the same chapter, we had learned about various numbers of the tags. I had shown you one tag over there, mark you tag. That is the scrolling tag. Hope you remember. The working of that marquee tag is already given also in your particular books, but we will discuss it once again in this particular video also. So let's move further. In this video, we would be learning different type of the tags. This is as the last part of the video, this chapter, the last video for this chapter. The particular tags we would be learning is list tag. There are two type of the list tag in your syllabus provided, unordered and ordered. How many lists? Ordered and unordered. So we will learn unordered and ordered list. Then we will learn about the table tag. And the last tag we will learn is regarding the hyperlink. What is that? Regarding the hyperlink. Let's move towards the first one, that is the list tag. List provided methods to show the items or the elements sequence in the document content. There are two types of the list as given. First one is unordered and the second is ordered. What is that? First is unordered, second is ordered. In the case of unordered, we will have bullets. Bullets like we used to have in MS Word, right? In the case of ordered, we will be having numberings. Numberings can be in Roman, it can be in simply number 1, 2, etc. as well. So there are two type of list present. Whenever we want to write anything in the case, and imagine there are different number of the items, different number of the elements. We want to display that in a particular sequence. So for that, we will be using this list tag. Which tag? List tag. There are two type of that list, unordered and ordered. If you want numbers, that means you are using ordered list. If in case you are using bullets only, that is unordered list. Here comes the particular command for unordered list. That means using of bullets. Bullets used can be as like disk, circle, square, etc. as per your convenience. If you want to be used it as disk, in that command you can use the tag as like UL, that stands for unordered list. Then the type equals to, in double quotes, you will write the name like disk, like circle or the square. After that, you can write your text. Once that is done, you can close that list with this close UL. UL stands for unordered list. The attribute type can also be used with li elements. What is this li element? These are nothing but different type of the elements of any list. Where are they used? They are used along with once you are putting up the list. To be more clear to you, at the end of this video, I will show you why this li is used and how it is basically quantifying this ul as well as this ol. Ol stands now for the next list, that is ordered list. UL was standing for unordered list. OL stands for ordered list. In order to have this ordered list, we can have different type of the particular arrangement. Like we can have Arabic numbers, we can have lowercase alphanumeric, uppercase alphanumeric. Like that, we can definitely have lowercase Roman, uppercase Roman, etc. Along with having these Arabic to lowercase, uppercase, we can have anything as we need. The only thing we are supposed to do is we had to follow the correct tag. The tag will be tag OL space type. In that type, you can use any one of them as written. Either you use type equals to double quotes 1, type equals to double quotes capital A. The particular pattern will be then counted in the same way. This was all about the list, unordered as well as ordered. Coming up now to the table tag. This tag is little bit tricky. Tricky in the sense like in tables, we have rows, we have columns, we have the particular width of that table, headings also. So that makes this particular tag as a bit tricky. In your syllabus, the particular three things are provided. First of all, there is row, then is the column, along with that, the symbol making of the tables and the border. That's it. So let's look to the first one, tag table. This is used to create the table. Next is TR, shows the division of the rows. Rest of them you can read it onto the screen. I'm directly coming up to the one that is in your syllabus written in your book to make this topic a less tricky, So we are directly coming to the last tag that is written there as border. It is used for attribute taking a number. Okay. So this was all about the table tag. Let's look on to the code. Here is the code, and I will be showing you this particular thing, the making of the tables using this code only. Will be easy for you to understand. Kindly look on to the code. In the third line, it is written H3. That means the heading, third heading. What is that? Table without border. That means look here, table without border. There is no border at all. Can you see border? No. Now is the making of the table. The construction of the table starts with this tag, table, tag, table. After that, TR and TD. Please note TR is for divided of row, division of the row. And TD is each row is divided into data cells. Like here it is written, TR we are taking TR. Kindly look here. TR open here, but closed here. In this TR, three things we had taken, milk, tea, and coffee. So in this way, milk, tea, and coffee coming in one line only. This is first element, milk, second element, TD as tea, and third element, TD, coffee. Once you are closing TR, it will move to the next row. Look here, new TR is taken, next TR. In that first element taken is 400, closed. Second element taken here as 500, closed. Next is taken 600 and thus closed. Last, we will be having the closing of table along with that body, and last will be HTML close itself. So this was all about the table. Construction of the table starts with starting of table tag and ending of table tag. TR stands for row. In one row, here three things are written, as you can see. TR is for table row and TD is for the element of the particular table. TD1, that is milk. Look here. Second TD is used for tea and third is used for coffee. Next TR, that means next row, having the values 400, 500, 600 respectively. Respectively, these are having their own values. Along with that, the items are written, and this particular thing is table, the creation of table. We will discuss it again at the end of this video. The next and the last tag is hyperlink tag. A hyperlink is actually a reference to a resource on the web. Don't understood? Not to worry. You just use these hyperlinks in your regular life every day. Okay, in your every day you are using this. This is a regular life application. In the case of hyperlink, you used to open up, I'm going to explain you this particular thing, relating it with your everyday uses. Whenever you are opening up web pages, sometimes it happens that you click on a text and new websites open. I repeat, whenever you are opening new web pages, sometimes it happens that you click onto the text and it takes you to a new web page. Those particular texts are called as hyperlink. What are they called as? Hyperlink. A hyperlink is therefore a reference to a resource on the web. Hyperlink can point to any resource on the web, an HTML page it can takes you to, or an image, a sound file, a movie, etc. So once you're clicking, it can open up anything. Either it will open a new page, either it will open a new image, either it can take you to a sound file or a movie it can open. Definitely it can do any one of them. In this only there is a something known as anchor. What is it? It is known as anchor. This is also written to you on the page number of your 88th page number of your books itself. The same page I am discussing. Anchor is nothing but it is actually a type of a term used to define a hyperlink destination, inside a document. I repeat, anchor is a term used to define a hyperlink text or a hyperlink destination basically inside a document. So HTML anchor element is basically displayed with the tag A. Look here on the screen also, tag A is used for both hyperlink as well as anchors. This was all about the hyperlink. Here is the code written. Look on to this global information channel, etc. And this is coming on to this way. You are clicking and this new website opens. This was all about the slides. Let's come up to the notepad itself. We would be learning. First of all, I am teaching you this mark you. Okay, I'm teaching you this only, mark you. This particular command, mark you, we had discussed in third video. I'm telling you the use of this mark you in this video again. This video particular has various numbers of the tags. We are starting from mark you. The mark you tag help the text to scroll from one side of the screen to the another. Kindly look, I'm refreshing. Look onto this side, it is coming. Scrolling from one side of the screen and will move towards the next side. This is the mark you tag. Which tag? Mark you tag. Now comes to the list. There were two types of the list, ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list have numbering 1, 2 like that. Roman numbers you can have, Arabic, etc. Upper cases will be there, capital A, capital B, then small letters, small a, small b, like that. So list was all about two types, OL and UL. OL for ordered. The one I had selected here is definitely the example of ordered list. OL starts here. That means ordered list starts here and ends here. The first element is mouse. Second element is keyboard. And the next is monitor. Look only onto the three of them. First three lines on the screen are actually ordered list. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, coming with 1, 2, 3. Same is for unordered you will use. UL stands for unordered. Unordered will give you bullets. Same way we are having bullets on the screen. Next comes up the table. The creation of the table we are doing now. Here is the table I will be taking. So it starts with table border. You can see here table border. The selected lines are used for the creation of the table. Table border is equals to 4. Now look onto the screen. Let's see if 4 are coming. Yes, 4 are there. 4 boxes are made. In those boxes, we are putting this TR, no? TR is for row. So one row open here and that same row is closed here. In that only, these are the elements. First element is mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU. Same way coming on the screen, look here, mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU. This was about the table. The last is hyperlink. This is the exact command of writing the hyperlink. Now look here, A is written for anchor. href is the command for hyperlink. This is the address where you want to take it. So I want that to be taken to google.com. That means once I click it, what should open? This should open. Google.com should open. So this is the address. And what is written? Visit Google. So let's see. On this, it is written visit Google, right? I click it, Google will open. Let's check. I had clicked it. Now look, Google had opened onto the screen. So this was all about the hyperlink. Coming up here, this was the marquee text. This is the list. Which type of list? Ordered list. This bullet one is unordered list. This was about the table, TR and TD. TR for row and TD is for the element in the row. Border we had taken here, so that's why you can see the boxes. Okay, the outline is there. The next one here you can see is Google. This is the hyperlink. I will click and Google will definitely open onto the screen. So this was all about the video. The chapter is completed. Keep practicing this HTML. More you will do, more you will understand. Thank you so much.